What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Sushi, which is the native token used on the SushiSwap platform. Right now I believe a 700 million market cap. I'm pretty bullish on swap platforms such as BuySwap, of course Uniswap, PancakeSwap. So I think this market cap will rise. One thing I'm not certain about though is if the price will rise. And that might be a little bit confusing, but with the swap tokens and with native tokens, which are emissioned every day, basically, you need to look at the tokenomics as well. So first of all, we're going to look at this a little bit more long term. We're on the daily time frame. Did an analysis on the weekly too, but we'll be on a daily and 4-hour time frame. I'll zoom in a little bit to do some more precise analysis, but yeah, because I wanted to sketch a more long-term idea. But first we need to look at the tokenomics too, because that's, as I said, very important for the price. One good thing, what happened is that with the governance and stuff, the rule was set in is that there's a 250 million hard cap, Sushi hard cap, so 250 million tokens. It's also on CoinMarketCap. So first of all, that's a very good thing. The less good thing is that the expected date to reach that hard cap is November 2023. So up until that time, with every block, more sushi is created. So if the price would stay the same right now and more would be created, the market cap would go up, price would stay the same. And that's why I said I'm bullish on the market cap, but not necessarily on the price just yet. So what you do need to know is that less and less sushi is created per block when the time goes forward. So that means that sushi right now is quite inflationary, but that inflation goes down with time. So it becomes more bullish with time, which is actually quite unique. And at the date that you can see right here, I mean, the hard cap is reached. So yeah. As of right now, it's also good to know that no sushi is burned. So that's also something to note, because cake, for example, the native token on PancakeSwap, is burned with a lot each day. Also more is being emissioned and there's no hard cap, but still no sushi is being burned. That might be a new rule coming in, but as of right now, not yet. So in my opinion, this downtrend we have got going on, I think it's going to continue, just because of the fundamental reasons that this token is very inflationary, and up until 2023 or at least the end of 2022, I think it's going to go down or at least consolidate and the price won't go up. So if you're bullish on SushiSwap, there's a good reason for that, but you might need to hold on to it for a long time. So as you can see right here, price broke through the 6.7 area, retested off of it, and is now down. Price is now approaching this very strong level at 6.0 and 5.8. In my opinion, it's going to touch that and it's going to find resistance. And from there, we might see a small consolidation. I'll zoom into the 4-hour in a minute, but eventually I think it's going to drop down all the way to 3.0. 3.0 is the next key level. It's also a psychological support level. There's also an important trend line in the proximity. And from that 3.0, even though it's inflationary, we might see some consolidation, because I expect it to reach that 3.0 when more bullish months are coming. So people might just want to invest in sushi, and not everybody does the research about it. So it might consolidate around that level. So we might see something like this, maybe for a couple of weeks, maybe for 3 months. So that would be good, because that's also time we get closer to the hard cap. But eventually, in my opinion, still the 3.0 will also break. But that's looking too much into the future. I first think that we will find a break retest off of this 6.0 area and move down to 3.0. So if we zoom in a little bit more, that might be a little bit more like this. So something like this, maybe take a break retest of the trend line and eventually go down to 3.0 and find some sort of consolidation there. So that's basically my price prediction and price analysis on SushiSwap for the upcoming weeks and months. Frankly, you could even argue it would be for the upcoming 2 years. So yeah, that's my analysis. You should know that this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on technical analysis, and with Discord a little bit of fundamental analysis. So yeah, if you have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.